When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Hello， 大家好，现在正好是草莓季，今天就来做一个超级好吃的草莓甜点，真的是一个星期都不会忘记的味道。这次是双层芝士，外面的草莓芝士酸甜又清新，里面着一整个烤的焦黄的抹茶巴斯克，完完全全就是春天的味道。这个巴斯克蛋糕单独吃也非常的好吃，稍微装饰一下就是一个很精致的下午茶了，大家赶快学起来吧。
Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and